How to take bath ghusl. Step 1. Make niyyah. Intention is the basis of all actions. Before ghusl, make the niyyah intention inside one's heart. O Allah, I am making this ghusl to become clean from hadasa akbar, compulsory ghusl. Step 2. Say Bismillah. Say Bismillahir Rahim. Step 3. Begin by washing your hands. Wash both hands properly times, starting with the right hand, up to and including the wrists. Make sure you do not miss any part. Step 4. Wash off the impurities, off the private parts and any other part of the body where there may be impurities. Now wash your hands. Step 5. Rinse your mouth. A. Rinse and gargle thoroughly 3 times. Step 5. Clean your nose. B. Take some water with your gently up into your nostrils, making sure it reaches into the nasal passage, and then clean it with the small finger of your left hand. Do this 3 times. Step 6. Wash your face. Thoroughly wash your entire face 3 times, covering from the top of your forehead to the bottom of your chin and from one earlobe to the other. Step 7. Wash your forearms. Wash the right arm up to and including the elbow 3 times. The arm extends from the fingertips, including the nails, to the lower part of the upper arm. It is essential to remove anything stuck to the hands before washing them that could prevent the water from reaching the skin, such as dough, mud, paint. Same with the left arm 3 times. Step 8. Pour water over the right side of the head, thereafter the left side of the head and then the whole head down to the roots of the hairs, rubbing the roots of the hair with the wet fingers. Step 9. Pour water freely over the entire body, beginning with the right side, then the left side and then the entire body, ensuring that no part of the body is left out by water by rubbing the body with your hands. Also pass water into the navel, ears, etc. Step 10. Wash your feet. Move away from area where you did ghusl and wash the right feet and then the left feet up to and including the ankles 3 times. You should enter the water between the toes with your little finger and then wash the feet. This is the Sunnah method of performing ghusl and is in accordance with the Hanafi fiqh. Islamically revered names have been omitted to preserve their sanctity and so that this posters can be placed in an area where people can study them. Before performing ghusl. Ghusl is compulsory, fard, in the following cases: after ejaculation of semen, after sexual intercourse, regardless of whether ejaculation occurred or not, for women after haid, menstruation, for women after nifas, post-childbirth discharge. If any of the above was experienced prior to accepting Islam, then on accentino Islam choose would become fard. There are only 3 fara'i, compulsory actions, when performing a fard, compulsory, ghusl. By doing these actions the ghusl will be complete. To gargle, to wash the inside of the nose, to wash the entire body with no part left dry. This includes private parts, navel, roots of hair, eyebrows, mustache and the skin beneath the beard. Ghusl is desirable in the following cases: on the occasion of Jumu'ah, Friday prayers, the 2 elds before entering into Ihram for Umrah and or Hail after giving ghusl to the deceased 5, on entering the holy cities of Makkah and Medina.